Hi everyone, today we're going to install these 10,000 lumens NX low beam bulbs by JDM into our 2016 Honda Pilot. We have a screwdriver and gloves. Let's take a look at the box. So these are the H11s. Let's look inside. So these are the newest version. They are fanless. And they look like this. And again, there are low beam bulbs. And we will leave all the rest of the information down below. Let's start. So from here, we're just going to make sure that we get the right bulb. So make sure we're going from the low beam. And then down inside here, you can see where we're going to replace. So here we are after we've installed the lights. You can see on the wall, and then we will do a test when it gets dark as well. Remember, we have everything, all the information linked below. Thanks for watching.